Good morning. My name is Rajiv Agarwal. I belong to an organization called ATOS Worldwide. ATOS, interestingly, is a company known as Business Technologist, and we pride ourselves in saying that we are business technologists because we believe that the technology and business has to come together. This is an organization which is about 80,000 people globally. In India, we are small. We are about 10,000 people. We are in business of technology and business, and we are partners with SAP for a very, very long time. Interestingly, our partnership with SAP goes down deep with all product lines, service lines, and education, which makes us unique in many ways. And our association with Bharat University, though new, but it goes down very deep into our common understanding about creating an SAP ecosystem on one side and giving value to the Bharat University students on the other side. The interesting combination of technology, university, and business of SAP, or business through SAP, comes together with ATOS as business technologists. And the belief with which we are doing so is very simple. We have a layer called education, which is fundamental education, and I'm not using the word basic education. This fundamental education is normally referred as engineering, philosophy, commerce, etc. But when we go to the business, these people are called production engineers or finance people or HR people. We need to bridge this gap of fundamental education and industry by a layer called business education, which is what SAP has taken an initiative with ATOS to bring it all together. This, when it comes together at a university level, the value is added not only to the students who are likely to work in the industry, but also industry gets people from the universities which are far more agile, far more oriented, and far more business oriented to deliver what they're expected to deliver in a growing economy like India. Thank you very much.